God's Word. January 7, 2024. Matthew chapter 2 verses 1 to 12. 1 When Jesus therefore was born in Bethlehem of Juda, in the days of King Herod, behold, there came wise men from the east to Jerusalem, 2 saying, Where is he that is born King of the Jews? For we have seen his star in the east, and are come to adore him. 3 And King Herod hearing this, was troubled, and all Jerusalem with him. 4 And assembling together all the chief priests and the scribes of the people, he inquired of them where Christ should be born. 5 But they said to him, In Bethlehem of Juda. For so it is written by the prophet. 6 And thou Bethlehem the land of Judah art not the least among the princes of Judah, for out of thee shall come forth the captain that shall rule my people Israel. 7 Then Herod, privately calling the wise men, learned diligently of them the time of the star which appeared to them. 8 And sending them into Bethlehem, said, Go and diligently inquire after the child, and when you have found him, bring me word again, that I also may come to adore him. 9 Who having heard the king, went their way, and behold the star which they had seen in the east, went before them, until it came and stood over where the child was. 10 And seeing the star they rejoiced with exceeding great joy. 11 And entering into the house, they found the child with Mary his mother, and falling down they adored him, and opening their treasures, they offered him gifts, gold, frankincense, and myrrh. 12 And having received an answer in sleep that they should not return to Herod, they went back another way into their country.